Welcome to Hammerspace Coaching Channel. In this class, we will look at an application level problem in the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. Krishna has 1000 grains in his sack. He starts walking from Hubli towards Dharwad. It's a distance of 18 km. Due to a hole in the sack, his bag is lesser by 18 grains at the end of first kilometer, lesser by 11 grains at the end of second kilometer, lesser by 24 grains at the end of third kilometer, and so on. How much percent grain is remaining when he reaches Dharwad? Okay. So now what is given? Total grains equal to 1000. Distance equal to 18 km. Okay. And he is losing grains at the end of each kilometer. So let us draw a line to see how much he loses per kilometer. Okay. So let us assume that this is the starting point, Hubli, and this is Dharwad. Okay. So this is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and so on up to 18 kilometer. Okay. So at the end of first kilometer, he loses 3 grains. At the end of second kilometer, right? At the end of second kilometer, it is lesser by 11 grains. So totally he has lost 11 grains at the end of second kilometer. Okay? Totally. How? His bag is lesser by 11 grains at the end of second kilometer. So at the end of first kilometer, 3 grains. At the end of second kilometer, totally it is lesser by 11 grains. So what happens at the end of third kilometer? It is lesser by 24 grains. So this is third kilometer. It is lesser by 24 grains. So he is losing grains at every kilometer. So let us see how much he lost in the first kilometer. Okay. So grains lost in the first kilometer. In the first kilometer alone, only in this kilometer, how much he lost? He lost 3 grains. Okay. So that is S1. What happens in the second kilometer? In the second kilometer, how many he lost is total lost up to second kilometer minus total lost in the first kilometer. Correct? So this will be the total amount lost in second kilometer. So grains lost in second kilometer equal to total grains lost up to second kilometer, which is S2 minus total grains lost up to first kilometer. Correct? Why? Because that will give us how much is lost only in the second kilometer. 3 is lost only in the first kilometer, but 11 is lost up to second kilometer. So how much grains are lost only in the second kilometer? Only in this much. It is S2 minus S1. So it will be 11 minus 3. Right? 11 minus 3. That is equal to 8. Okay? Just lost in the second kilometer. Now let us see how much is lost only in the third kilometer. Let's see how much is lost in this one. So it will be S3 total lost up to third kilometer minus S2 total lost up to second kilometer. So grains lost in the first to second, third kilometer. Grains lost in the third kilometer will be S3 minus S2. That is equal to 24 minus 11. That is equal to 13. Okay. So first kilometer, only in the first kilometer he lost 3, only in the second kilometer he lost 8, only in third kilometer he lost 13. So let us find how much he loses up to 18 kilometer. Okay. How much he loses up to the whole distance. So that will be equal to S18. Correct? Because first kilometer, up to first kilometer he lost 3, up to second kilometer he lost 11, up to third kilometer 24 he lost. So up to 18, how much he will lose totally? So that will be S 18. Okay. So let us find S18. For that we have to find A, D, everything. Okay. So we have to find S18. Okay. So let us see. First kilometer he lost 3 grains, which is S1. Second kilometer is 8. So what is the AP we have? We have 3, 8, 13 and so on. Okay. So what is A? A equal to 3. What is D? D equal to, this is A1, A2, A3. D equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A2 minus A1 equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Okay, it's 13 minus 8 is also 5. So A equal to 3 and D equal to 5. So let us find S18. What is S18? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So what is 2A? Oh, okay. What is N? N equal to 18 kilometer at the end of 18 kilometer. So 18 by 2. 2A. 2A is 2 into 3. 6 plus N minus 1. N is 18. So 17 into 5. D is 5. So you will get it as 819. Okay. So you got S18 equal to 819. So you lost total of 819 grains at the end of 18 kilometer. So how much is remaining? Remaining is total minus how much you lost. So remaining equal to 1000 minus 819, that is equal to 181. So 181 grains are remaining at the end of 1000 kilometer. So what is the percentage? Percentage equal to 181 divided by 1000 into 100, that is equal to 18.1%. Equal to 18.1%. So how much is remaining at the end of 18 kilometers? It is 181 grains, which is 18.1%. If you want to solve more problems from model question paper, please subscribe to my channel.